What's something people don't know about Germany? Germany is a country full of rich history, stunning landscapes, and fascinating traditions. But beyond the well-known facts, there are some truly surprising secrets that many people are unaware of. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Germany to uncover 15 jaw-dropping facts that will leave you amazed. So buckle up because we've got a lot to cover. In this extended version, we will delve deeper into each fact, providing more context and interesting detail. Let's get started. Let's start with something grand. Did you know that Germany is home to over 20,000 castles? Yes, you heard that right. From the fairy tale Neuschwanstein Castle to the imposing Heidelberg Castle, these architectural marvels are scattered across the country, each with its own unique story and charm. These castles were often built as fortresses to protect against invaders and have stood the test of time, offering a glimpse into Germany's medieval past. Imagine exploring these ancient fortresses, walking through their grand halls, and imagining the lives of the nobles who once lived there. It's like stepping back in time. Many of these castles are now museums, allowing visitors to learn about their history and the people who inhabited them. Now, let's talk about food. Fancy a sausage? Germany boasts about 1,500 different types. From the famous bratwurst to the lesser-known blutwurst, there's a sausage for every taste. Each region has its own specialty, and trying them all would be a delicious adventure. These sausages are often enjoyed with mustard and sauerkraut, making for a hearty and satisfying meal. And bread lovers, get this. There are more than 300 types of bread in Germany. Bread is a staple in German cuisine, and the variety is astounding. From the dark and hearty pumpernickel to the light and fluffy pretzel rolls, there's something for everyone. German bakeries are renowned for their craftsmanship, and bread is often enjoyed fresh from the oven with butter or cheese. But it's not just about sausages and bread. Pastafan, Germany's a major producer, second only to Italy. The country produces a wide range of pasta, from traditional egg noodles to innovative new shapes and flavors. It's a pasta lover's paradise. German pasta, known as Nudeln, is often served with rich sauces and hearty ingredients, making it a comforting and delicious dish. Speaking of celebrations, Oktoberfest attracts 6 million visitors yearly. This world-famous beer festival is held in Munich and is a celebration of Bavarian culture, complete with traditional music, dancing, and of course, plenty of beer. It's a must-visit event for anyone looking to experience German hospitality at its finest. The festival dates back to 1810 and has become a symbol of German culture and tradition. But Germany's traditions aren't just about food and festivals. Kids get school gifts with Schultüte. This cone-shaped gift is filled with sweets, toys, and school supplies and is given to children on their first day of school. It's a charming tradition that makes starting school a little less daunting. The Schultüte tradition dates back to the early 19th century and is a beloved part of German childhood. Germany is also a leader in renewable energy. 1/3 of their energy is renewable thanks to investments in wind, solar, and hydroelectric power. The country is committed to reducing its carbon footprint and leading the way in sustainable energy solutions. Germany's Energiewende, or energy transition, aims to phase out nuclear power and increase the use of renewable energy sources. Higher education, mostly free, that's right, public universities in Germany charge little to no tuition fees, making higher education accessible to students from all backgrounds. It's a model that many other countries look to with envy. This policy has attracted students from around the world, making Germany a hub for international education. And if you're a book lover, you'll be thrilled to know that Germany has over 25,000 public libraries. These libraries are not just places to borrow books. They're community hubs that offer a wide range of services and programs for people of all ages. German libraries often host events, workshops, and cultural activities, making them vibrant centers of learning and community engagement. Did you know that the world's first magazine was published in Germany in 1663? This pioneering publication paved the way for the magazines we enjoy today, covering a wide range of topics from science to fashion. The magazine, called Ehrliche Monatsunterredungen, was a literary and philosophical journal that set the standard for future publications. Germany is also a country of festivals. Over 2,100 annual festivals take place across the country, celebrating everything from wine and beer to music and art. These festivals are a great way to experience German culture and meet new people. Each festival has its own unique traditions and customs, reflecting the diverse cultural heritage of Germany. And let's not forget the stunning Basti Bridge. This architectural wonder is a testament to Germany's engineering prowess and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The bridge, located in the Saxon-Switzerland National Park, is a popular destination for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Speaking of beer, did you know that there are more than 5,000 types of beer in Germany, and there's even a German Beer Day on April 23rd to celebrate this beloved beverage? Whether you prefer a light pilsner or a dark stout, there's a German beer for you. German beer culture is deeply rooted in tradition, with many breweries following the Reinheitsgebot or beer purity law, which dates back to 1516. Germany is also home to the fastest maglev train, reaching speeds of up to 450 kilometers per age. This cutting-edge technology is a glimpse into the future of transportation and shows Germany's commitment to innovation. The Transrapid maglev train operates in Shanghai, China, but was developed by German engineers, showcasing the country's expertise in high-speed rail technology. And if you love animals, you'll be happy to know that Germany has over 400 zoos. These zoos are home to a wide variety of animals and are dedicated to conservation and education. Many German zoos participate in international breeding programs and conservation efforts, helping to protect endangered species and educate the public about wildlife. Germany is full of surprises, isn't it? From its rich history and stunning architecture to its delicious food and innovative technology, there's always something new to discover. So, the next time you think of Germany, remember these 15 surprising facts and let them inspire you to explore this incredible country even more. Whether you're planning a visit or simply curious about this fascinating nation, Germany has something to offer everyone.